In this video, we will see how to use the merge tool in S-Frame. Here I have two models. The first model called first level model. So if you notice, I just have the geometry defined. I don't have any section properties or material properties. If I go to the loads window, we can see not a single load case or load combination defined. If we go to edit load combinations, there's not a single load combination. Now let's take a look at the second model. This model has different coordinates compared to the other model, but the difference is that here I have section properties defined, the same as material properties. If I go to the loads window, I can check and see that I have a few load cases defined. And we can also display these load cases just to check those have been assigned to the structure for dead and live load. Also, if I go to the load combinations via edit load combinations, I have one load combination defined. Now I'm going to close this model and focus on this one. What I'm going to do is bring the geometry and the properties of the other model into this new model. So I go back to the geometry window, I go to File and Merge. I'm not going to save any changes in this occasion. I'm going to bring the second level to a file, and you can have a preview of what it's going to look like. I will tell S-Frame to bring the geometry and the loads. So I click OK. As you can see, the geometry is right here. We can check the section properties from my previous model are right here as well, including all the material properties I defined in the previous model. The same happens if I go to loads. I can check the dead load, for example. First of all, you can see the loads are right here, and if I display the loads, I can see those are right here, same as the load combinations. In this case, it's just one. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.